This one's for the lipstick girlies and the lip liner girlies. I'm going to swatch these and show you how they look. Oh, it's actually really buttery. This shade is the closest to my natural colour. This is probably a shade that I'd wear every day. That is so nice. Love wearing a lip liner over my whole lips. I just feel like sometimes it's just such a nice finish. This is the shade Grace on me. Very neutral, very simple, everyday wear. I love this. This is the colour Wild and it's quite a deep colour, but let's see how it looks. Always start at the Cupid's bow just to like define the shape. It looks so funny. It's so creamy. I feel like you could almost use this as a blush. And this is the colour All Over. Such a beautiful shade. Last shade I'm going to try is called Rebel and it's pretty dark for me, but I'm going to give it a go. This colour is so beautiful and pigmented. It's giving me Shigo vibes from Kim Possible. I cannot believe how creamy these are. Like, you can wear it as a full colour lipstick if you wanted. I think this is really nice. A shade like this is really good if you want your teeth to look really white. Like, look at. And last thing I'm going to pop on is their brow mascara. I love a lemonade brow look and it says it has aloe in it as well, so I feel like it